Rubber O-rings. Types and benefits. This video takes an in-depth look at the use, manufacture, and types of rubber O-rings. You will learn more about topics such as: what is a rubber O-ring? Types of rubbers used to make rubber O-rings. Types of rubber O-rings. Rubber O-ring selection, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a rubber O-ring? Chapter 2. What materials are used for rubber O-rings? Rubber O-ring materials. Nitrile rubber, NBR or Bunion. Viton, FKM material. Silicone material. Neoprene, CR elastomers. Latex rubber. Polyurethane material. Key alternative O-ring materials include EPDM, ethylene propylene diene monomer, HNBR, hydrogenated nitrile butadiene rubber, FFKM, perfluoroelastomer, PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, butyl afflus, TFEP, fluorocarbon, FFKM, PEEK and TPV, EPDM plus PP. O-ring materials. Chapter 3. What are the types of rubber O-rings? Rubber O-ring types. Backup O-rings. Coated rubber O-rings. Encapsulated rubber O-rings. Hollow O-rings. Square rubber O-rings. Chapter 4. How to select the right rubber O-ring material. Material selection for rubber O-rings. Temperature resistance. Compatibility with chemicals. Hardness and durometers. Tensile strength. Material purchasing considerations. O-ring materials. Chapter 5. What are the benefits of rubber O-rings? Rubber O-ring benefits. Multiple sizes. Proper hardness. Simple structure and design. Self-seating. Tight seal. Cost-effective. Chapter 6. What causes rubber O-ring failure? Rubber O-ring failure. Failure through abrasion. Excessive swelling. Compression set. Timely lubrication. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right rubber O-ring manufacturer for your needs.